Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Let's do some drills for the core. It's one of my favorite things to work on. It's really great for health, even supporting flexibility. So let's get started. Okay, let's get the blocks out. We're gonna work with the blocks. We're gonna draw the navel in and then pointing the feet and just get prepared and draw the navel in and hold, lifting the chest. And we've got one. I think you can see right now, we're going to do a little extra Navasana stuff. We got 3, 4, 5. Extend the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of you are already feeling it. It's okay. 5. Roll it down. Good. Really targeting this area for 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Let's bring it up. If you need to give a little momentum, it's all right, but try not to. Cross. Inhale. We pick it up. Hold. 2, 3, 4, a little more forward, 5, exhale down. All right, let's try it from here. Bent knees, lift, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, extend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bring it back, cross your feet, let's change the cross, take the shoulders forward and inhale, bring it up, 1, maybe you get a little lift, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. All right, now, what do you say? Navasana all the way. 1. It's a quick progression, so if you want to go back to bending the knees, just find what works for your body. 3, 4, 5. Extend, arms above the head. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, back to Navasana. Nice. Cross. Inhale, pick it up, lean a little forward and think chest forward and down, hips back and up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. All right, let's move the blocks out of the way. And then let's do a little up and down Navasana. It's one of my favorite things to do. All right, inhale, we pick it up. It's so good for the core. Exhale, go down. Inhale, we bring it up. Ooh, it's a little bumpy. Exhale, go down. Inhale, bring it up. That's good. Try to make it smooth. Exhale, go down. Inhale, bring it up. 2 more. Exhale, go down. Inhale, bring it up. Last one. Exhale, go down. Inhale, bring it up. Catch your toes. Look up for Ubaya Padangusthasana. 2, 3. Give a little pull with the arms. 4, and 5. Release the feet. We're going to take reverse tabletop. Inhale, hips up and forward. And we got 2, 3, 4, and exhale, set it down. All right, one more to target the core. Let's roll down, placing the sacrum on the ground, your knees together. Draw everything in, extend the arms, and then ribs in. Very good. And now side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more, 10, stay there. You can hold the head for 2, 3, 4, and exhale, set it down. Very good. Now, bend the knees into the chest. Give a little squeeze. Good. All right, not done yet. Last one, extend your right leg. Come up, hold, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch and twist, 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 and switch and twist. Back to the center with both. Hold for 2, 3, 4. Extend your right leg, hold the ankle, left leg down, head down. And now we'll work again. Bring it up. 1, 2. We can float that left leg just a little bit. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, head down. Exhale, leg down. Switch the sides. Bring it up and lift. 2. If you want to, you can float that right leg just a little bit. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale. Exhale, leg all the way down. Let's bend the knees. Release the inner thighs just for a moment. Mind is calm. Let the breathing come back. Good. Then close the knees, roll over to the side. Come on, all the way back up. Nice. So one of the things to remember is that we don't need extended core. We need consistent core. so you can do this little core drill more regularly rather than try to do, once a week a lot. So I hope you enjoyed this class. If you enjoyed this yoga drill session on the core, I want to invite you to my online channel where I break down the whole methodology of yoga drills and a special training where I'm going to teach you exactly how I design yoga drills.